What's up, YouTube? It is time and it's Tammy, and Donny will join us in a little bit. So today I want to talk about coconut openers, and it's summer and it's coconut season, and what better way to talk about coconuts is talking about a product that we bought. So this is the Fanatu brand. It comes with this bag and all this equipment right here. This is a silicone pad. So this is kind of like a little shock absorber when you use your mallet, and this little contraption to open the coconut. So that's that. And plus, just in case if you accidentally spill a little bit coconut water, it captures this right here. So it'll help with the cleanup. Then you have some coconut meat grinders, scrapers. Yeah. So you have this, definitely not grinder. And then you have this mallet, and then you have this contraption right here, which we will show you in a little bit how to use. This right here, these two items are actually used for fresh green young coconut. So if you don't want to have a large opening to scrape out the coconut meat, then you have this where you could poke into the coconut, of course, using this. And then once you push this out, then you can use this little thing right here to push the coconut meat out. But here, this is a little cap that goes with it. And then this is also, like I said before, this is a different tool to use for the fresh young green coconut to open as well. If you just want to drink it directly with a straw and not scrape with a coconut. So you get two straws, or two reusable straws, and then you get this thing which you clean your straw with. Ta-da! So that's that for the Fanatu brand. It comes with all of the bells and whistles. And so the other brand that I would like to talk about is the Kinglev brand, where some people think, well, this is way too much for me and I just want to use it to open and use the meat and eat the meat. And so this just comes with a simple mallet and this little contraption right here. Okay, and then thirdly, basically, we are gonna compare the two brands. And so far, looking at the brands, so this is right here, this is the Kinglev brand, and this is the Fanatu brand. And so looking at this, they almost look a little bit, almost identical. But this, the Fanatu one, is just a little bit longer. The feel is a little bit different, but it's pretty much almost the same. And the mallet right here, one's white, one's black. And then this, you see a little curvature right here, and it's a little bit longer. And this is just straight. So it's very similar. So let's put this to the test, shall we? Okay, so here we are. Remember, this is Donny and Tammy. Yeah. And so we are here, and I have the Kinglev coconut opener. And just to quickly review, I just have these two items.
I have the Fanatu one that had a bunch of stuff, but obviously we just need these two and this fancy straw after I open it.
So as you notice, I only have the mallet and this little contraption right here. And then Donny gets the same as well, these two. And then he also has the silicone mat. So that will prevent him from having the coconut move. So let's see how well I fare with no bells and whistles. So ready? Let's do it.
Okay, so we're gonna race each other, right? So whoever opens it first wins, right?
Yeah, let's do this.
So let's place this on top at the same time, and then we'll count 3, 2, 1, and then start counting, and whoever opens it first wins.
Okay.
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 Ready?
So just to let you guys know though, how you open this is that you take this little coconut opener right here, you place it on top of your coconut, and just to clarify, it's for fresh young coconut, okay? This is not gonna work with a brown coconut, you know, the brown coconut that's super hairy and super round. So be sure to get a coconut like this. You place this on top, you get your mallet, you pound, 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 and then you lift it up, and you should have like a little cap right here, but you will see in just a few seconds.
Yeah, it's a little sharp down here, so be careful. This pretty much penetrates the top of it to open it up, so you could eat the meat inside with the tools that she described earlier, and put your straw in there to drink the juices. So, are you ready, Tammy?
Okay.
Okay, so 3 seconds, and then
Okay.
we just go at it.
You do the countdown.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. It's still going at it, huh? So I got mine open. Not the best. Probably should have got a scissors for this, but...
Dang it, he won! Oh, loserville.
It is a little messy. Stuff sent to splash all over, but as you can see, it's open. See, here's the water in there, the coconut juice. And then I cleaned this already. Just put it in here and you sip away.
I'm still going. That silicone mat is very helpful.
Yeah, this mat is actually pretty helpful, I think.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, how about I do this? Dang it.
I'm just gonna enjoy my coconut water right now.
Whatever. Rubbing it in. Okay.
Finally.
Finally.
Yeah, at least you got a little bit more cleaner. Mine, I actually ripped the side out because it didn't penetrate this side all the way through.
So this is what it looks like after 10,000 years later, and you again you take your mallet, you kind of just hit it around here, and then you lift it up, so then you get like this right here. Okay, so unfortunately I have to grab my own straw because this does not include a reusable straw.
I'm enjoying my
Donny's.
straw right now.
So I can't really enjoy this right now, but again, you could get these both on Amazon. This is the Fanatu brand. This is the Kingleves brand. You can, with $10 extra, you get the bells and whistles. You get your reusable straws, and all the scrapers and whatnot that I explained to you earlier. And if you're a minimalist and you already have your reusable straws, then you could go this route and just get these items. So yeah, that's it.
And I think it took her a little bit longer because the way we were probably using it differently. I think you were just kind of pounding it hard, right? For me, when I was using it, I was pounding in a circular motion on each side. Tap, tap, a little quick taps, and it was actually going down quicker. I think you were just kind of like manhandling it in general and weren't going in a circular motion. So, yeah, just go in a circular motion and tap on it with the mallet, and it'll open it pretty quickly.
So what not to do is to watch me, and what you should do is watch Donny and how he did it. His method to the madness is way better than mine. So,
but I must say, at least the coconut juice wasn't flying out on yours. Mine was kind of flying out because I think I was just hitting it a little bit harder, and as you can see, some of the juices actually flew out towards the camera. But on hers, she did take a little bit more time too, and the juice didn't fly out, and actually hers is a little bit more neater too. Yeah. Mine's kind of all messed up even from the inside. But I was able to enjoy my drink about 2 or 3 minutes earlier, so yeah.
True. So, so that's it for review. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And let us know what other things that you would like us to review.
And we also will put the links underneath our Amazon affiliate link. So if you guys are interested in the tools that we use, just check in the description below. And again, thank you for watching. And yeah, like you said, if you got any other things you want us to review, let us know and we'll work on it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drink this coconut from here. Peace out, yo.
Bye everyone. Thanks for watching.
Bye.